Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Will's Kitchen Table. Guys, today I'm outside. Guys, I'm making smoothie this morning. I'm gonna do two smoothies for you guys. I'm gonna do the traditional for you guys, and I'm gonna do the green goddess. So I'm gonna show you guys these recipe. Green goddess is really good. It's a nice energy booster in the morning as well. So I'm gonna jump right into it and show you guys what I got on the table right now to make the smoothies. All right. Okay, guys, let's start with the traditional. All right, I'm gonna make the traditional right now. So first thing I'm gonna get in the blender, guys. Right now, let's get the blender right on here. I got 1 cup of strawberry right here, guys. It's going in the blender right now. All right. Don't want anything fall on the ground because we're outside. All right. Get that in there. I'm gonna do 1 banana right here. Already washed this banana, guys. Alright, that inside. And right now, guys, I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of yogurt inside of this. That's 1, 2, and 3. Alright, just gonna stuff it down. And then, guys, I got 1 cup of orange juice right here going inside. Pour it all in. Beautiful. Alright. Make sure it's all down there. So guys, that's how simple the traditional is. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna get some ice. Some crushed ice I got from the fridge right here. Guys, you can use frozen strawberry as well, but today I'm going with the fresh strawberries. Alright, so we're gonna start blending this right now. Alright. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's the traditional right there. Alright, gonna get that right into a glass. Check this out, guys. Alright, pour this out. Looking beautiful. Guys, take a look. So rich to have in the morning. Alright? Guys, so I'm done with the traditional. I'm gonna get the green goddess going right now. I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of honey, guys. 1, 2 tablespoons of honey inside. Alright, guys, I got some spinach right here. Alright, this is 1/2 cup of spinach. Just gonna stuff that baby down in there. And I got a cup of mango right here, guys. Nice fresh mangoes. I'm using these mangoes right here. You guys can see that. Nice and fresh. I'm gonna get this right inside the blender. Beautiful. You guys, I put 1/2 cup of ice in the bottom there. Just like pack everything inside, guys. And right now I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of yogurt in this one as well. You know, this is for the green goddess. Alright. And guys, what I got right here, this is 1 cup of green tea. Alright. I'm gonna try to get the cup of green tea in there, guys. Looking good. Beautiful. So that's a 1 cup of green tea, guys. This is the green goddess that I'm making right here. The spinach, the mango, and the green tea. All right, and the yogurt and the crushed ice. All right. So we're gonna get this on right now. Beautiful. Guys, this is my green goddess I'm gonna have right now. Guys, this is nothing but goodness. Wow. I gotta take a walk with my smoothies. Wow. I just want to say thanks again for the 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 and more, guys. Alright? It's more than 1,000. Can we keep on going? Alright? Guys, as I said, I started my journey 3 months ago. And guys, this is what I love. So that's what I'm doing. Alright? Always go for what you love, what you like to do. Alright? And keep on going. Alright? Guys, can't stop thanking you guys for watching and liking and sharing and subscribe to this channel. Guys, keep on sharing the love, and I'll keep on sharing the recipes with you guys. Alright? And I'll see you guys in the next one.